Hey, this is Mr. Race, here to show you that math is a skill that you can learn. We are finding the median and mean of the data set below, and this problem will have a couple of tricks that it throws our way, and that's why I wanted to do it this one specifically. So the first trick will be when we find the mean. I'll add these up and then I'll divide them by 4 because there are 4 numbers. Okay? If you want to see me do that more slowly, go back to the other video on finding the mean and median. This one is about the certain problems that come up that didn't in the first question. So 13 plus 11 makes 24. 24 plus 43 makes 67. 67 plus 47 makes 114. And we're going to have to do 114 divided by 4. Find the mean. And in my head, the way I'm doing it, you can use long division. You can write it out with the division hut, as I call it, if you'd like. But I like doing it this way. This is kind of my way to do it. I'm going to do just 100 divided by 4, which is 25. And now I got to take into account that last 14, which 4 would go into 12 3 times, so that's going to be 3 with a remainder of 2. Okay, so now I have 28, remainder 2. But remember, we're in 7th grade, so we can't just have a remainder and leave that there. We're going to have to deal with it. And to do that, we write the number, the whole number, 28 that we got, and then we take the remainder, put that on the numerator of the fraction, and then we take the divisor, or the number that we divided by, we put that on the bottom. Hopefully this is review. I'll put some more division videos on the help sheet though, if you need just specific help on that. And now we can simplify this to 1/2. 28 and 1/2. 28 and 1/2. But here's the other tricky thing. Delta Math, it doesn't want to let me write a fraction in here. So it wants me to write a decimal. 28 and 1/2 is the same as 28.5. Check out fractions to decimals video if that confuses you. So we found the mean. That's all good. You just had to deal with a remainder. Now the median, we have to put them all in order and then see the one that's in the middle. You might already know what's going to happen. Okay, so 11 and 47 are definitely not in the middle. But what about these two? There's nothing in between these two. If you have 3 siblings, there's four brothers and sisters. Who's the middle child? We don't know. Who's the middle age? We don't know. And this is the same case. So what we have to do is we have to find the mean of these two numbers. And that means adding them up. 13 plus 43 is 56. And then dividing by, not 4, but because it's just these two numbers we're finding the mean of, dividing by 2, we're going to get 7. Sorry, not 7. 28. So when there's nothing in the middle, you have to find the mean of the 2 middle numbers. There we go. Let's see how they did the division. Yeah, it doesn't show their work. They just change it to a decimal right away. So again, that's a video you might need to watch slowly. Stop where it stops making sense. Watch again.